So now let's see how we can work with covers inside of our Trello cards. So in the previous lesson, we worked around with attachment, and here you can see that there's a picture already there, which has been set directly as a cover for that particular card. But if I were to go over here and attach and cover, there's different ways to do so as well. So let's go around onto scene 5 and click over here. So once I click over here, you can see on the side that cover is an option which you can work with. So if I were to go over here, you see that the cover opens up. So you can select something, let's say for example, like colors which are here. So I'm just going to select this out and that cover has been applied, just like this. So once I click on that, this is the yellow cover. You can also go around and work around with different type of covers right here. So once I click on that and close this out, you can see that this is the cover. If I were to go over here onto the cover again, so there's the cover. And if I were to click over here, I get the same cover settings. I can go over here and change the outlook of the cover and make it larger as well. So this is how scene 5 is seen. So you can make it look much more like distinct, just like that, by using covers. So of course you can use colors. There's images that you can use as well. So let's say for example, you can search for photos. And since this is, let's say for example, a storyboard, I'm just going to search for something like drawing right here. So if I select this, you can see that now that is the cover and so forth. So I can simply go over here and select any cover I want. I can also upload my own cover images like this and then select the cover image. For example, if I were to select this, press open, and that'll be set as a cover. And that'll be set as an attachment as well. And what happens is that if you have anything attached onto a Trello card, like over here that we did in last lesson, the uploaded image is directly set as a cover. So you can remove this cover or make it a cover as well, just like that. So that is how you can work around with covers inside of Trello boards for Trello cards. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.